Did you know that in Godot, resources stored in an array are shared even if you set resource local to scene to true? I don't know what you think about it, but to me it's totally unexpected. And it actually caused hard to detect issues in my add-on for Godot. It took me some time to find what the problem actually is. And in this video I'm gonna share the solution with you. So here I have a minimal project containing a resource, an object and a level. The resource is local to scene and the object has a non-array and an array of the resource exported. Inside the ready function I print the resource properties so we can check if they are local or shared. Let's create new resources in the objects inspector and place 3 objects in the level. Running the game, you see that the non-array resource is indeed local to scene, but the ones in the array are actually shared. The resource local to scene is completely ignored for the array. Searching about the issue, I found this Reddit post by Calliot. Let's test it out. Rename the items array to fake items and make an unexported array called item. Inside the ready function, let's make a duplicate copy of the elements inside the fake items and put them in the items array. Passing through doesn't do anything here because there aren't any sub-resources, but do pass through if you have sub-resources. As we have renamed the variable, we need to add the elements again. Running the game, you see that the problem is now fixed and each object has a unique copy of the resources. The fake items array is just a helper for the inspector to look cool. You must always use the items one in your script. There are claims that this problem is fixed in Godot latest version, but I haven't checked it out. For me, backward compatibility is a thing, so I'll stick to Calliot's solution. By the way, I've got cool stuff on my channel and I hope you find them useful. Thank you.